Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Glam. Today we are showing you very stylish and very beautiful embroidery designs and embroidery patterns. These are all floral embroidery designs and hand embroidery design. These are all wall hoop art designs. These are very stylish and very beautiful embroidery patterns and colorful embroidery design, colorful embroidery patterns. These are different types of floral hoop wall embroidery art and designs ideas. These are very stylish and very beautiful wall hoop art. These are all different types of floral embroidery designs and patterns. Here we are showing you Western's wall hoop art designs. In this video you will find different types of hand embroidery wall hoop art design and ideas, so guys, that you can come up with some really cool ideas from our videos. I hope guys that you are going to love this awesome collection. I hope that you love these beautiful and stylish floral embroidery patterns and ideas and wall hoop art designs. So guys, you will get many more ideas and many suggestions from this video. Just keep on watching this video till the end. You can enjoy our video and designing. On our channel you will find different types of videos, different types of design, different types of ideas, all types of embroidery design patterns, embroidered dressy design ideas, embroidered bed sheets, bedspreads and bed cover design, embroidered cushions and pillows design, embroidered baby dressy design ideas, embroidered women dressy design ideas, and embroidered blouse and top collection, different types of crochet work videos, curtains designs, bed sheets design, bedspreads and bed cover design, cushions and pillows designs, all types of crochet work videos, jewelry collections, all types of necklace collection, earrings collection, women's rings collection, and all types of baby dressy design ideas, home decor related videos, all types of flower arrangements ideas, backdrop arrangements, table arrangements, balloon arrangements, church arrangement, all types of arrangement design ideas. If you want to watch any videos on our channel, so you can open our channel and watch from playlist. You will find dresses videos in the dresses playlist, embroidery videos in the embroidery playlist, home decor videos in the home decor playlist. In each playlist you will find different types of videos, and in each video you will find different types of designs. If you want to purchase it, so you can buy this online from newjig.ebay.com and etc.com. If you like our videos, so please like it and let us know in the comments how you like our videos. And if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe my channel. Be sure to share our videos with your friends and your family members, and you must click on the bell icon so you get notification for every one of our upcoming videos reach you first. And keep up the good content. This video is very helpful and very useful to you, and you can get different types of floral embroidery patterns ideas and wall hoop embroidery designs and ideas. Please remember us in your prayers. We'll take care of himself. We will keep bringing you more beautiful and awesome ideas, awesome videos. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.